Hello and welcome to LTD Junkie, a podcast where I review the top lifetime deals and how they could benefit your business. My name is Mike, and I use my 18 years of experience in software and design to dig deep into each software platform. Thanks for joining us today. Hello again, junkies. This episode, we'll be taking a look at FluxBuilder, one of the deals currently on the Appsumo. So if you're new to LT, think of it this way. Software used to be bought at a one-time price until companies have started their subscription prices to access the software. So LTDs are usually software as a service. SaaS platforms offered at a one-time price for consumers. Okay, so let's get started. So if you're tuning in to the podcast, you can view the video podcast over on YouTube. Just search for Mr. Design Studio. That's MRDZYN. And I've just downloaded the Windows application for FluxBuilder. You can also use their web app to access this. So I'm in this Windows version of their website. You can see there are different apps that you can actually create using FluxBuilder. So they have integrations with WooCommerce, with Dokkan Marketplace, so multi-vendors, with OpenAI, with Shopify, with PrestaShop, with WordPress as well, Notion, BigCommerce, Strapi, and so on. So the deal on Appsumo starts with one app and then goes to the top tier, which is 25 mobile apps. So let's try to create an app of my website, for example. So it's a WordPress website. So just key in the URL here, then choose WordPress, then try to run their tests. Okay, so basically it failed for some reason. You need this plugin by FluxBuilder. So I've actually installed it already. Let me just double check. Or is it? Okay. MStore API. Okay. Okay. Okay, so basically not sure why it's not live. Okay, so it's not as straightforward as there seems to be some case. The URL is actually has a L in it. Okay, SSL is not trusted. Okay, but basically it just proceeds with the next. So with WordPress, they have around 18 templates, news sites, what's this, advanced, recipes and so on, books. Okay, books, news, audiobooks, magazine, trending. Okay, let me just quickly check. So these are actually news sites. The templates are actually quite good. So typical of a news app. Let's see. Search wish list. Magazine. News. Probably this one. Yeah, let's try this one. So you have to enter the app name, which should be published on the App Store or in the Play Store. You can probably change this later on. News, the official. So there's a logo. Maybe you can choose it later. You can choose between light or dark. Main color probably custom. Okay, so the bad thing is, yeah, you can enter out there. Okay, so the link does not look good. Yeah, maybe white. Okay, so finish. So once you are on the site or click on finish, you can edit it. So basically there's a task list over here. The first is to integrate your website, design the screens, layouts, features, Firebase, social logins, app bundle. So there's actually quite a lot of things that you need to configure in here, similar to the other platforms like Andromo and Mobi Roller, as well as the other platforms. So they have a great list of components here that's ready to use. So it should generate a Flutter app. So you can turn on all the features in here. You can integrate Firebase for the push notifications. You can do you have different tools in here, the themes, languages, sign in, sign up, app rating, etc. So perhaps I could do a in-depth demo later on. So it's available. The chat is on the OS and the web version. Okay, so design. So current subscription is currently just one. So as I mentioned, the tier 4 is 25, which is around $500. Let's see if I would be purchasing this. So, well, the good thing, what I like about this is there's a lot of options in here. So you can see all the categories. It's integrated on my website. So the search, you can have a wish list, the settings for the app, the main menu, and so on. So if you want to actually create a working mobile app for both Android and iOS, be sure to check out FluxBuilder, and I hope you enjoy this short video podcast for FluxBuilder. And see you again soon, junkies. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and be sure to subscribe to our podcast to get notified of the newest software on lifetime deal. Follow us on social media or subscribe to our newsletter. See you later, junkies!